Hello everyone, and hope you guys going well. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add emojis to headers in Notion, and that's pretty simple. So go to the page where you need to add the emoji, and in here you can see this. I have a page, and on the upper side you can see this option add icon. Simply tap on here, and here you will find out three options: emojis, icons, and upload. And the upload means if you need to upload a specific icon for your Notion pages, you can simply tap on this option and upload the image. Or if you're going to be use emojis, just look for the emojis from here, which emojis is related to with your Notion page, and simply give the emoji, and that's it. And on the left side, you can see that they're showing you the emojis, and you can always change this emoji if you simply tap on your emojis again. We'll find out these options again. Or if you need to add a cover in your Notion page, you can simply tap on this add cover option and also change your cover from here. You will find out a lot of cover options, or you can upload a cover according to necessary. Or if you don't need it, if you simply tap on this remove option, this cover will be removed, and that's it. Hope this video find you helpful. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusion, and keep in touch with us.